Hey there, welcome. Today I'm sharing a quick, silly, and easy plant-based cheat day meal. So let's get started. First we need one box of Amy's Chinese noodles and veggies. Some organic French fries, these are from Alexia. I have some ranch from Follow Your Heart. And last, some crispy chicken from Gardein. Alright, so we'll throw in the French fries and chicken pieces, bake at 425 for about 16 minutes, turning once halfway through. 5 minutes before these are done, I put the frozen Amy's Chinese noodles and veggies in the microwave for 2 minutes. When that's done, I flip it over and break it up a little with a fork. Then it's back in for another 2 minutes. After that, mix it all together, add some ranch, and enjoy. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For those interested, I've added links in the description for some of the products shown in this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a great day.